Today our video is about the tractor, but I supposed to go take one machine, but the problem was morning that there is water in the engine. I have this cover. It has been there on the exhaust pipe, but I think it's leaked there down. I show you later how it has been there. But for now we trying to charge it, and let's see, is it starting? Its engine, it's rolling, what is good sign, but it's like spreading a little bit water. But the good thing is that now it's not like totally very cold weather yet, so it's not get totally freezed. But I need to make this better, like sealing in here. This is good, but the sealing in here, I show it later. I think where it's the water has go there, but it will start. Let's just charge it. It's now charging, so let's just wait and see what happens. Okay, we yesterday pulled this tractor there to here. It has been charged overnight. It was a little bit battery low, and I spin it in the evening. So let's see, is it starting? The engine now like running on starting engine, but we put the exhaust pipe on, and let's see, is it will start. Let's look, is there a coolant in here? No, it's full. It run, that is very good sign. It has still like a wet little bit there. It's not oil. I need to figure out that where the hell that water is going there. It's not going for like a coolant system. It should be like a rainy water, because usually when this is not to move, it's not lose the coolant like as much. It should be. on. In some tractors I have see that there's something like a belly here, and there is a hole in the bottom. So if there's, I think that's the purpose of it. So if there's coming like water, it's always like drop fall down, so there's no risk that it will go in the engine. And let's lift this on. I will show where I think it has leaked. Only way it's possible, it's this sealing. So when the water is full, it's go here. I don't know why it's not drop of this edge down, or is it just continue to here, but I don't know how much it can be rain that water will go there. It sounds crazy if you have this on here. I visit go by oil filter and fuel filter, and let's look the oil. I have before watched this. It's usual normal black, but let's see now, is it it's not black, but this is 1 year old now, but when I didn't take that on video, but when I look after the run, the oil was a little bit like looking milk, so it's not good sign. So I don't know how much it has water in there, and why it's not seeing very clear now. I think because the water is settle the bottom, and it's when you run it, it get mixed, but we change the oil anyway because we don't want to have more problems. So let's change the oil. Hope so I can. It will aim there. Hope so I don't drop this. Open this so it's getting air. wondering where it has been get this dirt in here. Let's then take a filter if it's normal. This is stand. It's a little bit problematic because this filter, it's like this way, so there's always coming up oil in there. I don't know, is this the new model same thing? Actually, there's not coming all much. Okay. Here's the last 15,380 hours. Let's put that I put that one in the video, that how much this has been driven. Seems good. Good shape. Okay, let's put new filter. There is 15,511. Usual what I'm doing, I put a little bit oil in here in this rubber sealing. So the hours is 15,000. $500. Joo. Okei. So then we put the oil. Okay, now the oil has come out. So let's put the bolt. Yeah. Okay, and then oil. Okay, then let's put the oil. Usually I'd want to finish all job what to do. It's like to totally ready, so it's not happen that you just take the oil off and then you start doing something else, or you think that I do it tomorrow. So best way is to do it immediately in same day, or say to someone else to do it, because there's always chance that you forget what you was doing, or another guy who's come do it. It just turned the key and it run a little bit, and then it's a total disaster of engine. So let's just finish what we start, and let's change that fuel filter tomorrow. Let's look again. Actually, there is even over already, but not. I think it can take that. I think it can handle. Me, and of course when it's now a little bit over, this filter take maybe half liter or something. Let's put that there, and this here. that engine oil, I think there's no any way to use it. Maybe some use it, but I don't would like to use. Before cutting this chainsaw, I take the bar oil just for transmission oil, hydraulic oil, and use that, and for me it was never problem anything about it. But I think that motor oil is so messy, and I don't know if it make good in even your chainsaw, so for now I would not use that, just put it for recycle. Okay, we have now put the bolt back in the oil bottom, and now we put this back. We have a filter on that I change tomorrow, that oil fuel filter. We have a coolant. Let's try now what it will say. I think put the power on. Okay, everything seems to be okay. No, it's filter take a little bit, so it's about 1 centimeter, maybe a little bit over, but I think it's not so much, so we cannot worry it and take it off. It's good, I think. Next, this. Yeah, it's a little bit freezing and it's normal because it's warm up. Okay, tomorrow we change the fuel filter, and I think we succeed this our mission and not having a bigger accident, but it could be had a bigger problem if it will be frozen already, and I need to make a sealing in here. It's but I understand it's only way how the water can go there. I don't find any other reason if it's not a coolant. So I put a cover there top of the exhaust pipe that automatically, actually I forget to buy today when I take this my stuff here, but what we learned, always use this any kind of cover. If you have even small risk you have something problem like this, so it's not cost you nothing. Just take good care of your machines. Okay, that's all. Let's continue tomorrow. Okay, so today we changed that fuel filter. Let's take this off. Let's look what kind of tools we need. We need to clean that too. There's dirt there. So I go get the tools. Okay, now we have a tool here. So let's loose this a little bit. Let's take this one here. Okay, and it has a filter in here too. Sometimes it has happened when I emptying this first, so I show you guys then. I think this is a brass filter. It's good that this will change now. Let's put this here. And let's clean this. I don't know, is this brass or what kind filter is this, but it's coming there. I don't know, see there's a like a sealing there too, and sometimes this is not, when you take this off, this is not fall down, so you clean the whole system and you're wondering that why there's still a fuel problem there, and the problem is that this filter has not dropped down when you have removed the cup. So I don't know, this model has this kind of filter, so it's good to clean. As you see it, it can make it dirt. Okay, let's try to put this back. I think this is this way. I don't know, change this sealing there because it has form there on the place, so I think there's no reason to change that if that is soft. So let's just try to put it on. Okay. Sometimes it's just, if there's leaking, just twist it and move it a little bit, so it's, and you should not, I think it's not good for tighten like a crazy tight. It's keep the system like no airproof when it's just on the right place. But let's put that filter. Okay, now we have this one here, and then let's put the filter. Okay, let's screw this on the place. Fuel filter seal, it's some reason there's a twist in there. I don't know, do you guys see it? But the problem was it's leaking. It's good to change this too. I have a new one. I don't know how it can be turned that way, but I think that's the reason. Let's try again. We put the new seal here. It should be now flat, not twisted. I don't know, last time it has been working, but when we change this it's not fit anymore there, so there was a leak what is not end. So let's try this. It seems broke. Okay. No, there's nothing. Okay, let's try. Let's put it run.